Many students who are preparing for 2026 have given up their preparation or they are scared about how the paper is going to come. I am going to discuss about the difficulty level of NEET 2026. I've spoke to the students and then come to a conclusion. So this video is very important. NTA went on a complete beast mode or revenge mode to make this 2025 paper harder. This will be one of the most important videos for all the NEET aspirants out there because I have analyzed everything that has happened in 2025. NEET 2025 was a shocker. Because of that, many students who are preparing for 2026 have given up their preparation or they are scared about how the paper is going to come. So in this video, students, I am going to discuss about the difficulty level of NEET 2026. And also, there are so many things that we have to learn from NEET 2025 that has to be changed in your preparation. So listen to this video and this will be one of the most important videos for all the NEET aspirants out there because I have analyzed everything that has happened in 2025. I've spoke to the students and then come to a conclusion. So this video is very important. Share it with every NEET aspirant out there so it will be helpful. First, let's understand what exactly happened in NEET 2025. First of all, students, the paper was hard. Mainly students say that the paper was not just hard, ma'am, the paper was lengthy. Many of the teachers also took more than 1 hour to solve the physics paper and even biology paper took at least 65 minutes to solve. So this was the main issue. Third thing was some of the questions were out of NCERT, some of the questions were directly from the JEE advanced paper for physics. So this was the main problem that students faced, which was also addressed by Education Minister. Now we can expect that students, NTA always keeps a balance because of everything that happened in 2024, NTA went on a complete beast mode or revenge mode to make this 2025 paper harder because many of the students in 2024 got into the government medical college because of a luck factor and that had to be completely avoided in 2025. So these were the 4 things that we learned. So first of all, in case NEET 2026, how the paper is going to be, I would say the paper is going to be moderate. They are going to stick to NCERT, but we cannot assure about if the paper is going to be lengthy or not. This time also they can make the paper lengthy because they have to maintain a balance. But difficulty level, I don't think it is going to be extremely difficult like last year. Now, the major question that all of you will have, ma'am, because physics question came from JEE Advanced, should I start preparing for JEE Advanced? Students, if you are a NEET aspirant, preparing for JEE Advanced would be a waste of time and it will not permit your schedules at all. So what you can do maximum is, last year onwards, entire teacher community, and I would say we are sorry, the entire teacher community is sorry because we all thought that according to whatever we saw in past 6 years, the questions were PYQ questions, repeated questions or easy NCERT based questions. That is why we all trained you to learn that. But from this year onwards, every single teacher has started upgrading the questions and we have also started solving AIP, MT, AIMS level, JIPMA level questions. So this way, we will train you to answer lengthier questions and not waste your time or try to practice question, increase your accuracy this year. So first thing that practice lengthy papers, practice difficult questions. Second thing, students, just doing NCERT plus PYQs will not help this year. In case the paper is moderate also, you should be prepared for all the levels of question, and for biology, every line of NCERT you should thoroughly understand. For that, I will be doing live classes very soon, so you can stay tuned to the channel. I will do every single line of NCERT for you. Third thing, you don't have to prepare for JEE advanced level. You can stick to a few questions of JEE if time permits, JEE main questions. Otherwise, solve PYQs, solve example questions and exercise question. Now, chemistry was moderate to difficult, but everything was mostly NCERT based. So, stick to NCERT for chemistry as well, but solve a lot of questions. I'm not telling that stick to this set of questions, solve all the questions, practice a lot of mock papers. So, one or the foremost important thing that you have to tell is, in case the paper is difficult and the luck factor that was there in 2024 will be completely eradicated, people cannot get into government medical college with some tricks or by hearting some things, because if the paper is difficult, only the most deserving candidate will get into the government medical college. So it's a good thing for you if the paper is moderate. I wouldn't say the paper should be difficult, but the paper should be moderate to build that competition and the most deserving candidates get it. Now students, you don't have to panic. We are all with you. We are also upgrading our, content, short notes, everything, and we will also help you, and we will also learn from the mistakes that we did in NEET 2025. So do not worry that will NEET 2026 be a terror. It will not be. It will be a moderate paper. Stick to NCERT, but don't just stick to PYQs. Practice a lot of questions, practice lengthy questions, and increase your accuracy and speed by practicing a lot of mock papers. So I hope this video helps all of you, and if you're seeing me for the first time, that means you have not subscribed to the channel. So quickly subscribe to We Need Tamil Nadu, and as I'm telling you, this is one of the most important videos every NEET aspirant should watch. So share this video with all the students in your coaching center, everywhere. Whichever NEET aspirant you know, share this video with them, and also quickly smash the like button and click on the bell icon. Thank you so much for joining. See you all in the next class.